So for today's menu, I'm cooking up these crispy baked buttermilk hot wings that are just to die for, along with some homemade creamy herb dressing and sliced crisp veggies for dipping, of course. So without further ado, let's get into this game day snack. First up, I'm going to essentially light brine the chicken with some buttermilk, salt, pickled juice, and some red spices like paprika, cayenne, and Aleppo pepper, along with some fresh grated garlic and black pepper, of course. Give this a good toss and let this sit covered in the fridge for 2 hours or overnight if you have the time. While the chicken is doing its thing, chop up some Italian parsley. Then in a bowl, you're going to add in mayonnaise, buttermilk, the chopped parsley, garlic powder, black pepper, and a splash of apple cider vinegar. Give this a really good mix, and it's the simplest, freshest, creamy ranch type of dressing you will ever have. Keep this in the fridge until you are ready to use it. Okay, so next are the veggies. So this is pretty straightforward with carrots and celery. Just make sure you give them a good wash. But I'm going to be putting a little spin on it by thinly slicing and soaking them in ice cold water to create these super crispy dipping veggies that are beautiful on the plate and add a really fun texture. After that 2-hour mark, you're going to pull the chicken out of the fridge and season your dredging flour with paprika, cayenne, and Aleppo pepper, along with some salt and pepper. Then generously coat the chicken in the seasoned flour and set them on a rack. Now, once the wings are all dredged, the trick is you're going to let them sit for about 15 to 20 minutes before baking to really allow the buttermilk and the flour to create a really good crust. Then you're going to bake them at 425 degrees for 45 minutes to 1 hour depending on the size of the wings. When those beautiful wings are a golden brown and crispy, you're going to pull them out of the oven and plate them up right on top of some lightly toasted country bread. Make sure to pour the drippings over the chicken so all that gets soaked up as well. Then, of course, those beautiful sliced crisp veggies and that homemade herb dressing. And that's it, guys. This is just a super simple game day snack that has some serious love behind it. I hope you guys enjoyed the recipe. Hit that sub and like button if you did, and I will see you guys next time with another recipe. Later, folks, and happy game day.